Hello friends, welcome back to Bonsai Hunter. In the workshop today, I'm going to show you how to grow big leaves on money plants. So what is the secret behind these big leaves? Friends, I have sprayed NPK on them. There are many varieties of NPK available in the market, but I have used the ratio 12:8:6. In this ratio, the N content is more than other formulas. N means nitrogen. It is the nitrogen that is responsible for the green color and high growth of these leaves. So friends, we should use NPK with N content high in it. You can also use this NPK powder. Use 35 grams of powder in 5 liters of water and spray on the foliage. You can also get big leaves like me. So friends, that's it for today. I will be back with some more informative videos on bonsai and gardening. Goodbye.